Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In this video, guys, I want to show you guys another update on this Fiverr gigs. And this particular gig is very simple to do. It's all about writing viral tweets, and you're going to be making tons of money from this, right? You can charge between $50 down. You can even charge up to $100. As you can see, this person right here is charging $100. It depends on what you and your client or what you and your customer agrees on, right? So you can make lots of money from this particular update that I'm about to show you guys. And if you stick around, I'm going to show you how you can be able to be getting potential customers for yourself and how you can be able to generate these viral tweets so you can deliver it to your client and you make money for yourself every day, right? So you don't need to be expert in doing this before you can start to use this to make money for yourself, right? So you want to watch this video from this very beginning to the very end so you don't miss any important information. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, in this channel I make videos on how to make money online with all sorts of things like crypto arbitrage and other things on how to make money online. So if you like this kind of videos, you need to relax, sit back, click on that like button to like this video, click on the subscription button to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed before. Then go down in the comment section of this video and leave a nice comment for me. Just leave a nice and sweet comment for me in the comment section of this video. I will really appreciate that. So without wasting time, let's dive right into the video. So for you to start making money with these updates, you don't necessarily need to have a selling account here on Fiverr before you can start using this to make money for yourself. Just hold on, I'm going to show you how you can be able to do that hands-free without even having to stress yourself, right? Now, for this to work, guys, you need to have a Twitter account. Twitter is a very huge place where you can generate massive sales from. You can generate massive customers from Twitter. There are a lot of potential customers there on Twitter that you can generate massive contact from, right? There are a lot of people here on Twitter, right? So once you come to Twitter, you register a Twitter account. Then Twitter is the place that I generate customers mostly. You can use Facebook, you can use Facebook groups, you can use other means, but Twitter is my top number one place where I generate customers from. All you need to do is come to the search bar right here and type in I need a viral tweet, right? As you can see on top right here, I need a viral tweet. As you can see, this person said I need a viral tweet again to kickstart the streaming career. This one said I need a viral tweet. This one said I need a viral tweet so I can get money. This one said I need a viral tweet. This one said I need a viral tweet. As you can see, lots and tons of people right here wanting a viral tweet, right? So what you can do now is to message them, and once you message them, you're going to tell them that you're going to give them viral tweets for their social media account, for their YouTube channel, for their Twitter posts and all of that, right? Then once you message them, you tell them all of that and you bargain with them. It depends on the amount you choose to bargain with them, right? Some are willing to pay more while some are willing to pay less, right? So once you have a concluded price with this person, the next thing you want to do is come to this next website. So now, if you want to do this by yourself, like if you want to do all the work by yourself and keep the whole money to yourself, you don't want to share with anyone, now you need to do something on this website. You come to this chat.openai.com, right? Once you are here, you come here and type in something like write viral tweets. Let's say it depends on how many viral tweets you agreed with the person. So I'm going to say write 50 viral tweets for me for $30 or $40 or $50 depending on the amount you agree with the person. It doesn't have any specific amount, right? So you write something like, let's just say 5. Write 5 viral tweets for, let's say the person is posting content about weight loss. You write 5 viral tweets for weight loss product, right? Something like that. Then you're going to click on this arrow right here. Once you click on that arrow, you just relax and sit back, and this is going to be writing viral tweet for you, right? As you can see, this AI tool is going to be writing viral tweet for you. Let's say you choose to write 50 viral tweets in less than 1 minute or 2 minutes. This AI tool, this chat GPT, is going to write the 50 viral tweet for you. All you need to do is just come here, you highlight, you copy, you can post, you highlight, you copy, you post, highlight, copy, post, highlight, copy, post. That's all you're going to do, and you're going to get the job done and you get your money, right? It's very easy. Now, if you don't want to do any of this, you don't want to do the work by yourself, you just want to pay someone to do it and you still have your money, right? Then you go to this next website. So the next website you want to come to is here on Fiverr, right? Here on Fiverr, there are a lot of people here that are going to do the viral tweet for you, right? They're going to do the viral tweet. Let's say you agreed $50 with your potential customer on Twitter or Facebook, anywhere you can get a customer from. Now, don't go for this one that their money is higher, right? Go look for the ones that have lower amount. Like this guy now is going to do the 50 viral tweets to promote a brand for $5, right? This one wants to do it the same 50 viral tweet for $75, right? Now you collected $60 or $50 from your potential customer. You pay this guy $5 and give the person the person's handle or the person's post, the particular post that they want you to do a viral tweet for them, and this person is going to do the work for you automatically, right? Once this person have done the job for you, you pay this person $5 and keep the remaining amount to yourself, right? It's very, very easy to do, right? So you need to start doing it right now and start using it to make money for yourself. This is what I do, and this is why I'm showing it to you guys, and I do this on a daily basis, and I use this to make money for myself, right? You don't even have to have a selling account here on Fiverr. Just create a normal buying account that you're buying services, and you pay people here, they will do the work for you, and you keep the money to yourself, right? You pay them small money and keep the money to yourself, right? Don't go for these ones that are their money right here is high. Don't go for them. You're not going to make profit. Look for the ones that are going to do the work for a lower price. This guy here will do for $30. This one right now will do for $10, right? So look for the ones that are money is lower and they get the job done for you and you're good to go, right? This is what I'm doing, guys, and you should start doing this because simple things like this are the things that makes people money online. But sometimes people tend to overlook it and say it's not working. It's not working for you because you have not started doing it. Once you start doing it, once you start getting involved in it, you'll see that this is working and you start using it to make money for yourself. So if you enjoyed this content, I want you to smash that like button, click on the subscription button to subscribe to this channel, and lastly, go down in the comment section of this video and leave a nice comment for me. Just type in a nice comment for me in the comment section of this video. I will really, really appreciate that. It's going to motivate me to bring more of this kind of update to you guys. I'll still be showing you guys more other gigs that I'm also doing, because here on Fiverr I have multiple accounts. I have multiple accounts on Twitter too that I'm using to do all these things, and I have a lot of other gigs that are hands-free that you can actually do without even stressing at all, right? And you're going to be using it to make money for yourself. So I'm going to be bringing it to you guys one by one. So as this one is here, you do this one, practice it, and see how much you're going to make from it. Just let me know, leave your comment in the comment section of this video. Let me know how it worked out for you guys, and if you have any question and if you have any problem along the way, just contact me. Join my telegram group, contact me, and I'm going to attend to you ASAP. With all that being said, guys, I will see you guys in my next video update. Peace out, guys, and enjoy.